give a high about counterclockwise out for a little bit, about right this way, and it's still got a lot of power to give it good throttle response when it's hot. That still runs fine. That's still got plenty of power. And the chain will stretch out when I get ready to use it a lot more. So now I can definitely cut a lot more firewood with it. The oiler is working, it's dripping oil. That's the way it's supposed to. That's how they work. And it's a pretty good looking saw. But it's too bad the company doesn't make them anymore. But it's a shame. But those are one last saws they ever made. But it's pretty sad. I kind of miss those saws that's got a throttle lock on them. Well, she's all set and ready to go. Always like and subscribe, leave a comment, and thank y'all for watching.